Hey guys, today we're talking about Memecoin trading bot, and you might ask, why memecoins? And you might be surprised, memecoins dipped, but there's still lots of 20, 30x runners every day. And I started using this new bot, which allows me to scan all the different callers, meaning influencers, professional traders, and allows me to automatically copy these winning trades. That's why today I'm going to talk about this new platform. I'll show you how it all works, how to set up these bots, how to find these profitable traders and callers, and all the information you need. But before that, I need to remind you, not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. It's purely for educational and entertainment purposes. Let's go. So as I mentioned, today we are talking about the latest and greatest Memecoin trading bot that allows you to find the best callers and also copy trade the same Memecoin trades. And trust me, you're going to be surprised how many runners we still have in this bearish market. So first of all, today we are using Solpump terminal. You can find the link in the description. As usual, if you use my link, you help my channel and also get the biggest discount and benefit using the platform. And today I'm going to explain you how to use this platform, meaning I will show you what each button means, how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to find these professional traders, how to copy these wallets, and how to set up the bots. So I think let's start right here in the meme pool category or button, because this is going to be really familiar for all the meme coin traders. I know there's lots of you watching and subscribe to my channel because we had some pretty banger videos in the past. So basically it does the same function. Right here you can find the newly created tokens, basically tokens that just launched. Next up we have about to graduate. These are medium-sized tokens about to reach bonding curve or graduate. There's lots of different words right now, and graduated are the biggest tokens because they reach the bonding curve, and right now you can buy them on DEXs. Also right here we have the button where you can actually customize each of these categories. For example, you can select what platforms you want to see. They also call them routers for some reason. So you can select pump.fun as usual, Moonshot, Bax, Let's Bonk. So all the usual suspects are here. Also you can select what safety features do you want to trigger. So if you select, for example, has a Discord, only projects that have a Discord will appear in this category. And for example, if you go to graduate, we can also select the time frames, the metrics, for example, the minimum market cap, the maximum market cap, how many people are holding, and all the different settings. So if you want to trade manually, you have all the choices. But if you want to trade automatically, this is where Solpump terminal shines. But I think before we start trading, of course, first of all, we have to add some fun. And it's a really simple process. So first of all, you can click right here on wallet, then you can click deposit. You will see your wallet, just copy this address and send Solana to it. And also on that, you can put my affiliate code, which is new money. You can also use the link in description. And when you want to withdraw your money, same process, click on wallet, withdraw. You can also find right here and withdraw your funds back to your wallet. And with like any other trading bot, it's all instant. There's no one holding your money or waiting for any approvals. So once you find some tokens, you can always click on them. This will give you a chart. You can select the time frame. As usual for meme coins, we use 1 second when trading manually because meme coins are really low cap and they move a lot. So you really have to time your purchase or exit. And if you want to buy, you can also use the manual option. You can buy or sell. You can do market order, limit order. They also have this dip choice. So again, just choose how much and buy or sell. Under that, you can also see all the safety features. For example, this token has 18 holders. 0% is held by the insider, but top 10 are holding 100% of the token. So you can see the red is usually bad, the green as usual is good. But again, this is really simple stuff. Now let's talk about the sauce. So if you click on the scanner, you can also see right here, we have the button, of course, for all the hot tokens, for all the new tokens, for the top gainers, but also we have channels. And this is the main reason why I use this platform, because right here you can see all the different channels and also their best picks. For example, you can go for 1 day. So today we had some 6x, 11x, almost 12x, 17x, 40x calls. And the best part is you can click on them. And you can also see all the stats, what kind of tokens did they buy, what are they selling, how much money they're making, their best calls. And you can also achieve similar results by copying these calls. And it's really easy. You can click right here. You can actually start copying this wallet. Next up, you can select how much money do you want to buy, fixed amount. So basically, if this wallet calls a token, you're going to buy the amount you put right here. So for example, if you put 0.1. So for example, if this guy calls out the token, you will automatically buy this amount. And also you can select the risk level to actually sell this position. If you're going low risk, these are the settings with the take profits and stop loss. If you're going high risk, these are the take profits, which are higher. Or if you want to go total degen, you can select the degen settings. Also, if you're more familiar with the Memecoin trades, you can go advanced way and actually input all of these settings manually. For example, you can select the take profit level, so add the target, and then just input at what price increase, how much of the position you want to sell. So for example, you can put in 50%. And you're going to see in text, when the price increases 100%, you're going to sell 50% of your position. Again, really easy to understand. And the same goes for the stop loss. You can also put in the trailing stop loss, which means if the price goes up, the stop loss also continues to go together with the price. I would recommend you to go with the trailing stop loss, and also you can select buy and sell gas and slippage. But again, if you're doing it for the first time, you can also use the automatic settings. Also, if we go back to the terminal, you can see all the calls on the left. So for example, you can remove this watch list if you add it. When you're trading, on the left, you can see all the last trades. You can see recent in the past hour. So we have some pretty small 1.7, 1.5, but this is really great because this indicates what kind of tokens are trending, what these guys are calling. So for example, let's scroll and see some bigger ones. For example, this guy, Visi Casino, had a 17x call. If you click on this token, let's go, I don't know, 5-minute time frame, you can see where all the callers call the tokens. For example, you can see this guy, Clever Calls, did a really great call right here. So if you copy his call, you would make pretty good amount of money. And this, of course, allows you to analyze all of these guys and see who is the best in the market. So you can see for this token, lots of guys actually called or buy this token. Also, you can see different sources. So again, you can check by the source, by the username. If you want, you can also connect Telegram and copy your favorite caller. For example, if it's not on the list, you can actually connect to Telegram and just copy calls of the group you're in. For example, if you're some VIP group. And if we're talking about VIP groups, we have our Signal Terminal group, where we actually buy lots of different VIP group signals, and then we just filter them using AI to find the best picks. And you can get it for free right now for 1 day. And we have a live tracker. So this month, it's up almost 800%. We're counting this all-time high. So if you sold all-time high, this is the amount. If you trade manually, probably it's going to be lower, but still, so far, this bot is performing really good. Again, past results never guarantee future profits, but if you want some VIP group, this is one of them. So you can just connect your Telegram and start copying all of these guys. Also, you can select different wallets. So if you see some wallet performing really good, you can add this wallet address, name it, and also copy trade. And if you want to see all the different bots, click Auto Bots, and you get the same window. Select the bot, select who do you want to copy, the callers, people from your Telegram, from list, or some wallet you like to copy. Just select it, and all the same settings. You have a quick setup for the presets, advanced for what you want. You can also see what you used last, or you can build a custom list. So you can actually mix and match. For example, you can copy 5 guys at the same time. So build a list. So callers, you can select more than one, confirm. And the same thing, you can select all the exchanges you want to participate. Also, you can select the socials. So basically, you can create your own bot you want to trade. So again, when the market is really boring, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing mostly poly market. Also, I'm trading my own trades. If you join, again, you can chat with me. And I'm using this bot to find some latest meme coins because I don't have time to track all of these meme coins. And these guys do it for a living. That's why they have these pretty crazy results even in today's market. So guys, as usual, you can find the link in the description. If you're depositing, don't forget to add my code, which is new money. I will leave it in the description. And if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. See you next time.